Hey, what's up, guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today we got here the finished product for the Black Trojan Horse Gangsuosi model kit, which is the RX-78 Gundam with a mutation with the Godzilla genes and the Evangelion genes, something like that. So it's very nice. The appearance of this kit is really cool. It's a very unique and original style that even though it borrows concepts from Godzilla or Mecha Godzilla, RX-78 and the Evangelion, still it's a unique kit, so I can say that is a bootleg because it's an original concept. So there we go, we got this very nice appearance. The proportion is really perfect. For me, it's perfect. The head is not that large, the arms are not that bulky or exaggerated, and the legs is very proportionate for the kit. And the tail, by the way, the tail is not that it's not that huge, and it is much looking like a raptor instead of a tyrannosaurus. So it's very cool, it's very decent. But the odd side of this kit is this is really hand grenade. I'm telling you, if you want to buy this, think thrice, not twice, because this kit is really hand grenade, and it took me about 2 days to finish this kit because there are so many large nubs, but fortunately they are all undergated. Most of them are undergated, but the knobs are really hard, and I think it damaged my nipper, my steady nipper. It gets dull right now because of those a very thick knob. By the way, the plastic quality of this kit is really thick, and it reminds me of the Lace Evangelion, and I think they are the same company because the instruction manual looks the same, and at the same time the plastic quality really looks and feel the same with the Lace Industrial Evangelion. And mind you, the plastic is really hard, so many fitting issues. That's the other one, so many fitting issues, especially for the tail and the legs, the head, the shoulder, the armor there. I got a hard time sanding those because of those fitting issue. Very tight joints, especially on the waist and the shoulder, so be careful. So if you are going to straight build this shit, prepare your files, sand it well, and take pain relievers afterwards because you'll got hand pain with this shit. This one is also problematic. This sword here, this saber, they are not fitting well, so it took me time to sand those using my grinder, this machine. So there, I got to sand those shit. So there we go. Let's talk about the Evangelion here, the Lace Evangelion, which I did review recently, and I told you not to buy this shit. And now this one, don't buy this shit also, because if you're a straight builder, you're a beginner modeler, avoid this shit. But if you're expert like me, you can build or buy it. So they're the same company here. This one is a hand grenade, 100%. So they're the same company here. So this is the height comparison. So I'm now showing you the height comparison. So we got here the Bandai RX-78, the granddaddy of all. So it's taller than the granddaddy. So there, they are the fusion of this shit. Plus this Mecha Godzilla here. I got here the Aoshima Mecha Godzilla Kiryukai. So there. So if Godzilla and Granddaddy here mate, this will be their offspring. So there. Got this Godzilla 1/400 scale, and these are the 1/100 scale models here. Okay, so let's put the Evangelion here as well. So great family, great concept. 3 animes combined to produce this shit here. Okay, so let's go with the features of this kit. So let's remove those our guest here. So there we go. The head is really nice, the head sculpt, but mind you, this is very hard to apply. So I chose to use the Vifin. You have the option to use the Evangelion unicorn type horn, but I chose to use this because this is appropriate for the RX-78 concept. So there we go. The head can move side to side like that. Okay, and the mouth can also open, but mind you, it's very hard, and this one is loose. The jaw is loose, so I won't play with that, and I didn't apply glue yet for this shit. So there, the head can move side to side like that. For the arms, even though I sand it, it's still tight. As you can see, I'm really forcing my fingers to move this shit here. So I sand it well, but still I might sand it further. As you can see, this peg is really tight. There. Okay. This is the socket here. The peg here is really tight. So I might sand it further until I reach my desired fit. Okay. So the elbow is really tight as well. This is problematic. The part here is not that tight and secure, so I will not twist it, although it can provide 180 or 360 degree rotation. For the elbows, this one there, it's very tight, and it can only bend 90 degrees. Okay, the hands or the claw here is really large. It's very articulated, but I got a hard time fixing these things. So because of those hinges there, it can't fit well, so I did sand those hinges, but I think I sanded too much. That's why some of the joints are really loose. I don't like to play it anymore, but still it can hold thanks to the peg that are available on the palm. And we got here extra beam saber handles, so I can utilize this extra beam saber on the other hand, but the main beam sabers are attached on the shoulder. Okay, so we got this very nice beam saber handles here, color white. And for the, again, I'm forcing my fingers to move the right arm like that. For the waist can do ab crunch, but it's very tight as well, so I can't play with that too much because I might break the peg inside. Okay, then I really admire this part here, this clear pink part here that is attached on the abdomen, lower abs. And for the legs, again, this is really tight. There you go. I'm forcing my fingers to twist it. Okay. So there we go. It can kick forward up to that far. Because there we got this very cheap looking front skirt there. So it can kick forward up to this far. And there we got this sabers attached on the thigh. I will remove it first. So the knees can bend, double jointed, which is very nice. It's very tight again, so I'm forcing my fingers. Even though this I already sand those pegs there, it's really bullshit. It's very tight, so I didn't bother to sand it further. Okay, so for the claw feet here, can move like this, can swivel a bit like that, and can do some toe flex and extend, but it's very tight. Okay, everything is tight, tighter than your girlfriend's virgin pussy. And there we go. And for the tail, let's go with the tail. The tail can bend like this. Everything can move like that. Can also swivel side to side per piece here, so it's segmented tail. The only problem I encountered with the tail is it's very hard to clamp together, so you can see the seam lines. So those seam lines are annoying. Even though I sand all those pegs again, these are all tight. Okay. Fuck the dog. Okay. So the saber, we got this saber here. There. We got here the hole, the peg for the attachment on the hand. So I will not detach it because it's very hard to remove. But just imagine he's holding this saber, which is very nice. Her! So like that. And so let's return this arm here. And the gun is really cool also. It has a gimmick where you can open this and reveal the grenade inside. So there. Oops, see, it's very tight like that. So I will not open it anymore. It's very tight actually. I forced my finger to open that, and I'm afraid I might break those. So there, the effect, the beam saber effect can be attached also in the barrel, which act like a beam shooting or a beam blade effect. Okay. So there we go. This is the Gangsuosi model from Black Trojan Horse, and I must warn you, don't buy this kit if you're not industrious in doing sanding techniques. This is Cameraman from Cameraman. I'll also just saying good night. God bless. Take care. Bye.